Here's an update on the camper fire rebuild. Well, as you can see, we got snow. I actually started doing the front section right before it got snowy. I got a new door for in the front, or pulled from the parts camper. I gotta trim all that off and get it coated. I'm gonna do the gel coat or paint on this side this summer. I just haven't got around to it, especially because of the weather. Going inside, I haven't done much to it. I did pull the old stove. The stove actually does work. I think I just took it out because I like the other one a little better. And so I took it and the hood out because I like the other color better. Excuse the mess, because we did go camping in this and did some things. That furnace is on. It's nice and toasty in here. Furnace is on in here. Here's a new stove. I think it looks a lot nicer. Like I said, excuse the mess, but I think it looks a lot nicer. Nice 4-burner. Top stays up. The other one didn't want to stay up. Nice 4-burner. The oven. Lifted, turn off pilot light. Yeah, it's got a pilot light, so I don't have to keep lighting each burner. I don't know why, why campers haven't came out with the electric light yet, but they haven't. Here's the hood. I replaced. Got light, fan. There's a fan and light. That's just a fan. That's just a light, and then it turns off. Just like a normal hood. Here's a hot water heater. I'm debating on installing. The only reason why I'm looking at installing this is because it's gas or electric. Gas or electric. So it is actually electric or gas. So it's 110 volt. Sometimes we go camping in spots where I like to save on my propane, so I could use electric hot water heater instead of the gas hot water heater. Sorry, like I said, sorry about the mess. Haven't really cleaned out the camper, and some of this stuff actually stays in the camper. Installed a mirror. I'm still trying to figure out a shower. Corner shower. There's the toilet. I did dump pink antifreeze down my drains. I do not put it in my water lines because I don't like the taste of it. I don't like the taste of it, even if you work and get it out of your tanks. I can still taste it. I actually, when I put this camper back together, all my lines are PEX. So I ran all my lines at a certain angle. So when I open up my low sides and open up my hot water heater, all the water runs out. I mean, every one of the lines. So that's all I have to do. Like I said, excuse the mess. Here's a refrigerator I'm debating on installing. I haven't did that yet. I haven't decided if I'm going to. There's the refrigerator I have in it. I'm debating on doing it. I gotta pull this refrigerator out anyway to replace a hot water heater. It's easier. because the hot water heater is actually down. Oh, let me see if I can get this. It's down here. And you guys can't see that, but it's down hiding. And I took and when I rebuilt the camper, I actually took and left the side of it open where I could actually access the hot water heater if I needed to. Because we all know things happen and you need to access things, and this was all blocked off where I couldn't get in there. Refrigerator, a little bit dirty because of just sitting around. But yeah, this is just a little update. I will go on to my next area. I'll see you guys in the next part of this. Just a little update. Last time you'll see this ugly material. Got the back cushions were missing when I got the camper, so I'm gonna redo all the material. Here's the I think they're called like visors for above the windows. They're getting all brand new material too. Getting rid of the red and stuff. But I'll give you a little update when I get maybe one of them done. But this is just a little update. Camper is a mess right now. I did pull the hot water heater. I'm putting new hot water heater in. Right there. Gonna put the new hot water heater in. I'm gonna run new water lines, and I gotta replace the fill line because it was leaking. Trying to figure out the refrigerator for some reason. I didn't. This refrigerator is not working correctly. It's right there is the name of it, and it keeps staying on auto. It don't go to AC or gas, so I don't know what the deal is. You hear relays click, but it don't go over to AC, and it's plugged in. I even tried it on. I even took gas line from the hot water heater, ran it over to the fridge just so I could test it, because I plugged it in the camper that I took it out of, and I thought it worked, but for some reason now it's doing this. I don't know if it's the board or what it is, but every once in a while it'll go over to AC, and then it'll just go to auto. I don't know if the AC light should be on. AC light should be on or what, but I tested power, and I'm getting power and everything. Yeah, getting power and everything, but for some reason it's not working right. I don't know if it's the board's bad or if something's bad inside of it or what. I don't know if I'm going to end up replacing it or not. There's a big old hole. Sorry about the mess, because I am working out here. And yes, I have it hooked up to a battery with a battery charger. But yeah, I got to put this line, replace. There's a line like this. I need to replace it so I can finish the hot water heater. But I did cut its hole out bigger than the original, and I am going to hook it all up, and everything works on it. And I thought everything was working on the fridge, but I don't know. But this is just an update. Nasty color. Yes, I'm going with the gray material. with the couch, the cushions too, because I got the futon that I picked up that will the material, the new material kind of comes close to matching it. So I can stay with the gray theme. But this is just an update. Sorry for the mess again. But I will get back with you when I get some of the material done. Or when I figure out the fridge or figure out something. I did replace the switches there too. This one I replaced when we were out camping. This one I replaced. This one goes to the front light. With a big front light on it. It's dark here, so there's a big light up there. But yeah, this is just a little update before I start doing some work on some things. But thanks for watching. I will keep you updated.